I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by creating a new project and picking the correct aspect ratio for your delivery platform. This avoids reframing later. Then import your clips, images, and audio directly from device storage or cloud. Drag them onto the timeline in the rough order you want. Once done, set the project frame rate and resolution early. That ensures consistent rendering and prevents quality loss. Make sure to name tracks and lock background layers when needed to speed later edits. Next, refine each clip. Trim edges, split where dialogue or action changes, and use Snap for frame-accurate placement, small 0. 5's adjustments make scenes tighter. Then add transitions and overlays to build visual flow, adjust speed for emphasis, and apply chroma key for green screen shots. These tools shape the story rhythm. Also mix audio across tracks, using the volume envelope to duck music under voice. Make sure to preview at full resolution occasionally, so effects and pacing read correctly. Finally, export using the correct resolution, bitrate, and codec for your platform. Test by exporting a short segment first to confirm quality and file size. Once satisfied, enable hardware encoder to speed rendering and choose a bitrate that balances clarity with upload limits. If you encounter glitches or frame drops, clear Kinemaster cache, re-import the offending clip, and try lowering preview quality while keeping export settings high. If audio drifts, resync source clip on the timeline before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.